Aloha everyone! I'm Gabby
And I'm Georgie,
and we are the mummies of Sisterhood Furniture
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint. In this tutorial, we will be working on this pot, and this is a project for us actually.
and we are gonna transform it into a military style pot using Dixie Belle Paint.
So stay with us if you want to see how we did it step by step.
Let's do it!
Our first color is collard greens, and I applied it with a chip brush and I dabbed the paint to create a soft texture. I also dabbed in some holy guacamole too, and now we are starting to get those military colors. Also, I just love how the blending goes when you are dabbing the paint into each other. It's mesmerizing. Then I went back to collard greens and so on. I was keep switching between the colors while using the same brush actually for the whole process. In some random spots, I blended a bit of evergreen and also the new Dixie Bell color English Ivy. I thought more shades of green are needed and it just looks amazing this way. I'm happy about it now. Once the paint dried, I applied a bit of copper gilding wax on the top edge and also on the bottom. So now we can call this pot Military Glam.
Once we were done, we sealed the pot with 3 layers of gator hide, letting each coat to dry for about 2 hours.
And this is the final result! Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, learned something new, and if you did so, please don't forget to subscribe for more furniture tutorials. Hope to see you soon. Bye!